In this video, we will learn how to use command shortcuts in the Cisco CLI to dramatically improve your network configuration efficiency.
Many network engineers spend too much time typing repetitive Cisco CLI commands, leading to frustration and lost productivity.
In the fast-paced networking world, efficient management saves time, reduces costs, speeds up problem resolution, and improves overall productivity. Mastering CLI shortcuts optimizes your workflow, boosts efficiency, and helps you grow into a more skilled and valuable network administrator. Using command abbreviations like conft instead of configure terminal speeds up your workflow and saves valuable time during configuration.
The Tab key is your best friend in the CLI. Start typing a command, then press Tab, and the CLI will attempt to autocomplete the command for you. This not only saves keystrokes, but also helps prevent typos.
Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through your command history. This allows you to quickly recall and reuse previous commands without retyping, especially useful for repetitive tasks.
The pipe parameter allows you to filter the output of show commands. For example, show IP interface brief, the pipe parameter include up will only display interfaces that are in the up state, greatly reducing the amount of information you need to sift through.
When you're unsure of the syntax for a command, use the question mark for context-sensitive help. The CLI will display the available options and parameters at your current command level, preventing syntax errors.
Use Enable to enter privileged mode for advanced commands and Disable to return to user mode, maintaining secure network access control.
Use Exit to move one level up, End to return to privileged exec mode, and Logout to end the session, ensuring secure access and preventing unintended changes.
Use the No form of a command to remove a configuration setting and the Default form to reset it to its original state. This allows you to easily undo changes and revert to a known working configuration. Imagine you need to configure a new VLAN on a Cisco switch. Using command abbreviations, tab autocompletion, and history speeds up VLAN configuration, reduces effort, and minimizes errors.
By mastering these CLI shortcuts and techniques, you'll significantly improve your network configuration efficiency, reduce errors, and become a more confident and capable network administrator. Embrace these tools and unlock your full potential in the world of networking.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.